This is my Dainese Nexus motorcycle jacket, which I absolutely love. It fits me really well, but there's one major problem. It only comes with CE level 1 rated armor for the shoulders and the elbows. Both of those bits of armor are removable, but as far as I've searched, Dainese doesn't offer any upgrade armor, so there's no CE level 2 options that can just be swapped into this or purchased separately. So I'm going to do a DIY job of upgrading. This here is the shoulder pad, and I'm also going to do the elbow pads, and I'm going to install CE level 2 rated D3O Diablo pads onto the inside of the existing armor. And so I get not just the level 2 protection from the D3O pads, but just a little bit of extra from that hard composite protector that comes with the jacket. And that's also going to help me install it in the right position on the inside of the jacket. Here we go. And just like that, the Dainese armor that the jacket came with is just going to attach to the inside of the jacket with Velcro. I just attach this, the original Dainese armor, back into the jacket with the Velcro strips that are already on it. And I've got D3O armor that's just been zip tied at 3 points to the inside of the Dainese armor. Now, I haven't gorilla strapped these zip ties on. I've got them on very loose. And one thing to pay attention to is where you cut off the excess of the zip tie. You want to cut it really close to that fastener so that you don't have anything sticking out that's going to catch on the fabrics and possibly lead to any tears. Next, I'm going to be installing CE level 2 armor onto the inside of the composite elbow pads. And to do that, I'm going to be using hook and loop cable tie straps. The armor I'm going to be using this time is not D3O. It's a close equivalent by a Japanese brand called Komine. And I live in Japan, so I'm able to get this a lot cheaper than I can get D3O. It's the exact same size and very similar in shape to the Icon D3O Diablo Level 2. For the shoulders though, they're not the same size, which is why I went with D3O. But for the elbows, this is going to work just fine. So there are plenty of holes where you can thread this hook and loop strap through. I've just cut it to the size that I need and threaded it through 2 positions, making sure that the hook part is facing outwards. And that hook part attaches securely to the inside of the Dainese composite armor. Once I have it in the position I want, I'm just going to slide the entire thing back into the pockets on the inside of the sleeves. And there we go. Now I have level 2 protection for the shoulders and elbows on this Dainese Nexus jacket. Links to everything you need to do this to your Dainese jacket is in the description below. Thank you for watching.